This fruit is sweet. But the moment it touches the tongue, it starts to eat it. That burn after eating pineapple, that sting on the lips, it is not just the acid. An enzyme inside the fruit is breaking the tongue apart. It is called bromelain, a tiny blade that cuts protein. The tongue is protein. The cheeks, the lips, the gums, all protein. Bromelain finds the chains that hold them together and snaps them. One by one, the cells on the surface come apart. Not burned, not scratched. Dissolved. The pineapple is digesting the mouth, while the mouth is digesting the pineapple, and still, the damage disappears. The tissue inside the mouth heals faster than the fruit can break it. It is one of the fastest healing surfaces in the body. Blood rushes in, saliva carries healing proteins, and new cells begin sliding into place within hours. By the time the plate is empty, the mouth is already repairing what the fruit took. But there is a way to stop the blade: heat. Bromelain is a protein too, and heat unfolds it. The blade loses its edge. Grill a pineapple. No sting. The enzyme is gone. This is why pineapple softens meat. The same blade that cuts the tongue cuts the steak. A pineapple is not one fruit. It can be up to 200. Each bump on the surface was a separate flower. Each flower became its own fruit, and all of them fused into one. It can take 2 to 3 years to grow. One plant, one fruit. And then the plant stops. It will never fruit again. And before it is done, it passes everything forward. 200 flowers, 3 years, one fruit that eats back. Right now, someone is biting into one, and it is biting back. Nature speaks. We translate.